Good morning friends, it's 7 a.m. and we have started our trip to Sakhleshpur. It's a hill station in the western Ghats of Karnataka. Our stay is for 2 days in 2 different properties. Day 1 we are going to Rosetta by Ferns. Meanwhile, we stopped at this Apajimane restaurant for breakfast. They had quite interesting menu card, but sadly only few things were available for breakfast. And we finally finished it, but we really didn't enjoy it this much and moved further and took a small break for coconut water. Finally, we reached this wonderful 90-acre eco resort, which is just 4 hours drive from Bangalore and is a perfect blend of luxury and nature. We were warmly welcomed by the staff and with welcome drinks. Around the reception area, this property has 126 suites of 6 different categories. Each of these rooms are covered within the coffee and pepper plantation. They provide 24 hours buggy services as the suites are located quite further away from the restaurant and the reception. We stayed in teak suite. I loved our room. It was luxurious and spacious with this beautiful garden view. This is our bedroom. The bathroom was clean with all the basic needs, and this was the highlight, an open shower area which was just amazing. After checking in, we went to this restaurant for lunch, Teatro. The Estate Kitchen is an all-day dining restaurant at this property and overlooks a beautifully nurtured garden. This restaurant has very wide variety of delicious food options for its breakfast and lunch buffet. This property has 3 in-house restaurants and a bar by the pool. A walk in the property is very romantic and relaxing. They have an infinity pool that overlooks the lake and the lush greenery surrounding it. On the first floor, they have a recreational area to keep the guests entertained with indoor games. They have well-equipped gym with a trainer. For dinner, we went to Merchant of Spice. This restaurant has most indigenously prepared traditional Indian dishes based on the seasonal produce available. Within the coffee and the pepper plantations lies this beautiful chapel. A visit to this holy place is a part of the coffee trial. No doubt it is truly a luxurious and beautiful property with peaceful environment and very courteous staffs. Perfect for weekend relaxation, we thoroughly enjoyed our stay. It's time to say goodbye. I hope you enjoyed this tour. Please like this video and follow for more. See you in my next. Till then, live happily and stay beautiful.